So today I am going to make a grinder machine with very low budget. So I'll flip my camera, just see. So this is the PVC pipe, 1.5 inch PVC pipe, and this is 775 motor which I bought in SP Road for just 200 rupees. And this is the anchor bolt. So I already cut this one for a little bit. I need to cut it more. So and this is the bolt which holds this plate. So I this one I got it for 50 rupees. So this is the accessories to make a cutting machine. This is very powerful motor. You can run this on 12 volts or 28 volts as per your requirement. In 28 volts it will give 24 volts it will give more RPM than in 12 volts. Okay, so I'm gonna use, I don't know how it works, but this is my first attempt. So let's see. I will make it now, and then I will try with 12 volts. Then I will let you know how that works. So this is an anchor bolt. I had cut the anchor bolt, and I had fixed this anchor bolt part here like a coupling, because in the market I tried to find something like this, but I couldn't find, so I made it myself. See, so this is working. I just need to prepare the body for this. I'll prepare now. So this one I made the body by using PVC pipe. Great, it's on this one. Still there is a work. I need to put the switch here, but now I am using the temporary switch. So this wire is connected to the adapter. So once if I on this electric switch, it will get on.